Hello everyone, I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about a new resource we have available to our students called ExactPath. ExactPath is made for students in grades 1 through 12 who have taken a STAR360 assessment in math or reading since January. STAR360 is a diagnostic assessment our students take at least 3 times per year to gauge where they are in their learning. What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? What ExactPath does is it builds a customized learning pathway for students based on those results. Each individual student is built instructional modules specifically designed for them called learning pathways. A learning pathway in ExactPath is a system of quality content that consists of 4 things. First, students will be given direct instruction through tutorials which are animated that introduce and model new skills in an age-appropriate environment. The second part of the learning pathway is embedded in that direct instruction are practice items that provide immediate feedback and encouragement to all students. The third component, once students have completed the direct instruction and the practice, they are given a short mastery quiz consisting of 5 questions on that specific skill. Their responses are scored for the teacher to be able to review how each student did on that skill. A student must score an 80% or higher, getting at least 4 out of the 5 questions correct to move on to the new skill. If not, the student will be directed to review the tutorial again before the quiz will relock, allowing students to retake the quiz. The last component is when ExactPath builds a learning pathway, the student is assigned 4 skills at a time. Once a student successfully completes each skill, the student will be assigned a progress check which assesses all 4 skills at one time. That assessment consists of 20 questions. Once a student passes the progress check, ExactPath will adapt their learning pathway to move forward, assigning a new batch of 4 skills, and then the process repeats itself. Sometimes the teachers will assign specific content to students. If that happens, students should complete that work first. How do students log into ExactPath? They will log in through Clever and look for the Edmentum icon that looks like this under the Students and Teachers banner. When working in ExactPath, it is best to use Chrome as your browser, and ExactPath does work on iPads and laptops. But you may have to turn off your pop-up blockers in your system. Students should work about 20 minutes 2 to 3 times a week in ExactPath, and the best support that you can provide your student is to have them work diligently through the tutorials with a minimum of disruptions. Have them use paper and pencil to work out problems or to take a few notes. And then just really express to them the importance of really paying attention to the lesson. But otherwise, students should work on ExactPath independently. In conclusion, if you have any technical questions about ExactPath, you can reach out for support by calling 1-800-447-5286, or you can also go to support@edmentum.com. If you have any instructional questions, please reach out to your student's teacher. Thank you and have a great day.
Schools may be closed, but the learning hasn't stopped in IWCS.